All right, welcome to another episode of the Manly Garage. We've got a 2014 Audi A7 3.0 TDI, and we're going to be doing the Adblue install on it. First things first, you're going to come to the back of the car. You're going to open up your tire release here. Then a few twists. You're going to grab her, pull her out. And make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button and hit that bell so you get notifications when we make these videos. It's pretty neat when you do. I've already opened this here, your wrench. This is what opens up your Adblue. It's I think it's like a 17 mil. Probably just use a socket too, but use 17 or I don't remember what size it is. Either way, if you got a socket set, you can figure it out. Probably smart enough, I hope, if you're watching these type of videos. Anyways, get this sucker out. There we go. She's good and open. Set it down here next to our wrench. Got our Adblue here. Screw the top. Put on the nozzle. There we go. Takes care of that. I like to pull it out of the box. I've actually used this Adblue before, so it's already open. Anyways, we got the service light today, so it need to come on. So we're gonna fill her on up. Top off the Adblue. Don't go too fast. There it goes. Now it's feeling nice and smooth. Man, this car is really quite an exceptional vehicle. It is a shame that the Volkswagen Audi group stopped bringing these videos over to the state, or not videos, bringing these vehicles over to the state. They are really, really cool. Almost done filling this guy up. And then we got to do the adaptation procedure. Okay, top tier off the most that we've got on hand anyways. We're gonna reinstall this guy. Put that in there, just kind of give it a push, and then start twisting her on in. Should go in. If you're feeling lazy like I am, or you don't want to get your hands dirty, you can grab this nifty little doodad. You can also use this for removing your lug nuts to help screw that sucker back in. There we go. Give it a quick little tighten up with this. Very gentle. I don't know what the torque spec is on it, but I don't give it a lot. Just enough. All right, so we are actually in a hurry. We've got somewhere to be tonight. Gotta head up the hill here shortly. All right, tools are back in. Grab our wheel, throw that back in. There we go. Grab our cap, screw that back down. There we go. Put that in there and that in there. Bring our cover back down. Grab our wheel. There we go. Next up, make sure you push the button, drop the door.